Okay, so showing the box of toys that was sent to us today from Debbie Stalford from Debbie's Toys for Shelter Dogs. And we have this big box and then another package. I believe it's around 50 plus of these rope toys for the dogs, and they're all in rainbow colors and so pretty. And so we're going to start handing some of these out to the kids. They're actually in their crates right now, which they only go in their crates at feeding time and when it's time for bed. So it's 6 o'clock in the evening, they're eating, and here's Grayson getting one of his, ow, hey, Rommel got that one. So there's one for Grayson, and here's one for Ruby. Ruby, what are you going to do with that toy, Ruby? Ruby, what are you going to do with that toy? Ruby dooby doo. Ruby, here. Here, Rube. Ruby, get it. Oh, boy. Rommel's stealing them all. Okay, and then we're going to give one over here to Yvette. Okay, and we can leave your crate open. What you got, Yvette? Okay, very excited. Kira, would you stop and mind your own business, please? I'm going to give one over here to Bentley. I'm coming, let's go. Hold on. Max, get back in there. Go. Okay, so let me get the rest of them. Hey, Yvette. Hey, stop that. You're being rude. Okay. No, ma'am, you had one already. Jeez. She's getting jealous. Here's one for you, Aberdeen. In there on that flower bed. Kids are being selfish and wanting two. Okay, like I said, they are not in there. They've still got food in the bowls. We're gonna just give them the toys. What are you gonna do with them new toys? Oh my goodness. And here's one for Roscoe. Roscoe, look at what we got here. What we got, Roscoe? What is that, Roscoe? What is that? What is that? You want to take it? Huh? What are you doing? Here we go, Bubba. Bubba, what are you doing with that? Yvette, you're not getting another one. Go get the one you just had. Yvette's trying to get a second one. Yvette, yours is in the crate. Okay, take another one then. You're done. Grayson, Rommel's got two. Okay, let's give another one over here to Jackson. Jackson hasn't had one. Here, Jackson. What are you going to do with that? Oh, boy. Jackson ate all his food because he's so skinny. Let's go. Now I got to go get a couple more. We have to save some for the foster homes. We have, I think we have, what, 18 or 19 dogs here right now? So we do have quite a few. Hi, Yvette. Look, I just gave you one. It's in your crate right there. Hey, you are being selfish. Here you go, Cressida. Oh, boy. What you got, Jackson? Oh, boy, Jackson. No, you're not getting another one. You've had two already. No, ma'am, Yvette. Jackson really likes his. Oh, boy, Jackson. What are you saying over there, Roscoe? Roscoe's a talker. What you got, Jackson? Huh? You got a new toy? There's Cressida. She's getting hers. Everybody got new toys. Oh, boy. Thank you, Debbie Stalford from Colorado for all the toys. Look at that's Grayson and Yvette. Hey, quit that, Ruby-doo. Okay. Hey. Stop that. No fighting. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Rommel's over here. He's got four of them over here now. Okay. Get your toy. stop that. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Go, Ruby. Hey. Here's my squirt bottle. You just passed one on the floor there. Grayson, get off me, you horse. Rommel, what you got, Rom? Get the new toys. Get the new toys. Where's the new toys? Oh, boy. Is everybody else sleepy? There's Cressida. She's got her. She's up there. He's hugging it. What you got, Cressida? Cressida, Cress. Isn't she pretty? She's a pretty girl. She's available for adoption. We've not got her up on the website yet. She's approximately 10 months old. She is a doll baby. And Grayson's obnoxious. The goofball. He's a goof. Hi, Cressida. Pretty girl. I think Cressida might have some collie in her. She's got collie eyes and collie ears. He's so pretty. Okay, Mr. Twerp. Kimmel, you got your toy over there? You got your toy over there, Kimmel? Grayson, stop. You're being annoying. Aberdeen's over there playing with hers now, too. Grayson's really working on his. I think he's got part of it dissected already, huh, Grayson? Grayson. Well, I'm Grayson. Jackson. Sorry, I got a Grayson and a Jackson. We got Yvette and Cressida. Hi, honey. Hi, Cress. You're a pretty girl. And there's Ruby Dooby Doo. Bentley's over in the corner. We're going to ignore. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. There's Rommel and Roscoe and Kimmel. And there's Delta. Miss Delta Dog. Oh, Delta Dog. Oh, good girl. And there's Aberdeen. Okay, we're just going to leave it at this right now. We have a couple of other dogs downstairs. Go give them their food and treats and their new toys. Jackson really likes his. Rom, too. He's chewing on his. And it's raining. It's Monday evening going on 6:30 and start raining. So then they just kind of lay around and relax. Rommel just opened the crate for Kimmel. Nice. Kim. Hey, Kim. Kim's got an adopter, huh? Kim. He's a good boy, the puppy. He's a sweetie pie. Kimmel. Oh, wiggle butt. He's a wiggle butt. No, Grayson's trying to take the thing that hangs down off the camera there. Okay, getting the toys. There we go.